Hello, my name is Eric with National RTAP Support, and in this video on website accessibility, we will show you how to make PDF documents accessible. These are some of the tools that can be used to check PDF accessibility. The first one, Adobe Acrobat PDF Editor, is the one we will be demoing today in the video. The next one, the Pack3 PDF Checker, is a free-to-use application for Windows PC. And the Microsoft Office Word Accessibility is a tool that allows you to save an accessible Word document as PDF. Links to these can be found on our National RTAP Website Builder Support Center, which can be navigated to by going to nationalrtap.org. And in the main menu at the top of the page, look for Resources and Website Builder. Once you land on the Website Builder page, you'll see on the left side there's an option for Website Builder Support and Website Builder Accessibility. Now we will show you how to use Adobe Acrobat to make your PDF accessible. Once you open the program, you'll want to open your document. So if you've recently opened it, it will be on the Recent tab. Otherwise, we'll scroll down till we find Your Computer, and then Browse, and find the folder that has your PDF document. Open it, and now we can begin. On the left side of your screen, you should see these tools listed. If they are not, you'll just want to click on the All Tools button, and they will now appear. We want to look for accessibility. So as we're looking here, it's not currently showing, so we're going to click on the View More, and then scroll down until you see Prepare for Accessibility. You'll see some options right on top: automatically tag, change reading options, check for accessibility, open the accessibility report, all the way down to fix reading order. We're going to check for accessibility. Click on it, and then click Start Checking. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice this menu pop out, and now we can begin to look at the different issues that have been flagged. So if it says Passed next to it, that means you can move on to the next option. The first thing that needs our attention is the logical reading order. You'll notice it says Needs Manual Check. Now, the reason for this is because you will determine how your user will read your PDF. So you're choosing the order that they're getting the information. If you wanted the table to be at the top, then certainly you would just move that to the top and the bus schedule and the paragraph below. Currently, this is sufficient for us, so we're going to right click and pass that. The next one that needs attention is color contrast. This also does require a manual check. You can find color contrast checkers and links to them on our National RTAP Website Builder support page. For now, let's use an example. So I'm going to click on Edit, and this is how you will edit any text or anything within your PDF document. Now let's say this stops right here was the text color black. Well, that doesn't lend well to color contrast, and that may be hard for some users to read. So in this scenario, the white text on the purple background works very well for the color contrast. So I'm just going to change this back. If you know your hex code, this will key into specific colors, and once you hit return, you'll notice the color appear in this bottom left corner of this pop-up window. Close out, and it will change the color for you. So you just want to go through and verify that the color contrast works well for your PDF document, and then change it if it does not. We can now pass this as well. Our next issue, page content, we can see the tag content has failed. So when you're looking at a PDF document and going through it, it tags every bit of content in it. So for instance, this would be tagged as a header. This would be tagged as paragraph. This table would be tagged as a table. You can go through and manually do this. However, one nice thing about the Adobe is that when you go to All Tools and go back to Prepare for Accessibility, the first option is to automatically tag the PDF. I recommend doing this, allowing it to tag itself. And now we can go back to the check for accessibility. We will want to run this again just to make sure it catches those tags. Now we need to go back and just pass this logical reading order and the color contrast because we have already looked into those issues. We can now see that the tag content has passed, so we can continue move down the list and see what else we may need to correct. Our next issue is alternate text. So we can click on that and we can right click it and choose to fix it. This isn't an option for everything in the accessibility checker, but for some things you can easily fix just by right clicking on it. So when we click fix, we notice it highlights this image at the top, and now we can add alternate text. I'm just going to choose moving bus image and save and close. That's now passed. So now we can continue to go down through our list. Our next issue is with the tables. So we can see some of it has passed, but the summary has failed. So when we click on element 1, we can see it's highlighting the table. I recommend right-clicking and showing the report. Now navigate down to tables and we can see summary has failed. If you click on this, it will open a browser window and it will take you directly to how to fix this issue. So we can see it's saying to go to all tools, prepare for accessibility, and fix the reading order. Select the table by drawing a rectangle around it, and then you'll see a pop-up. You'll select table. Now you'll right-click for Windows or Control-click for Mac OS and find the Edit Table Summary, and then click OK. So what we want to do is look for Prepare for Accessibility. If you don't see it, then go to All Tools and scroll down and look for Prepare for Accessibility. We want to choose the Fix Reading Order, and we'll see this pop-up window appear. Now I want to take my mouse, click and drag around this table, and then find the table option. So we want to use table. And then we want to go our mouse over the table, right-click, go to Edit Table Summary. So from here, I can now add a summary that just says bus schedule timetable, because that's what this is, and click OK. We can close out of this. And now we can go back to our accessibility on the right-hand side, right-click it, and choose Check Again. It's now passed. So now we can continue moving down our list and seeing if there's anything further we need to adjust. Fortunately for us, everything else has been adjusted, and we can now save and close out, and then upload the PDF to your website for your users to gain access to. And now that we've gone through the accessibility checker, you have now made your PDF accessible for your website. Thank you for watching.